Yakshita, are you aware of the subject enrichment activities held at the AIS?
Yes, these activities go beyond traditional classroom teaching and provide students with opportunity for practical application and critical thinking. They often include debate and discussion, literary and cultural event, community service project, Olympiad of various subjects. Subject enrichment activities play a crucial role in making learning more enjoyable, relevant, and meaningful for students.
Thank you, Yakshita. Nitanya and Preet, are you aware how sports are managed at the AIS?
Our school boasts a variety of sports activities and facilities, providing students with ample opportunities to stay active and healthy.
The school sports facilities include a well equipped gymnasium, a spacious sports field, and outdoor courts for activities such as volleyball, basketball, football, handball, kho. The list is endless.
Students can engage in team sports, fostering teamwork and sportsmanship.
The school swimming pool is a popular sport, offering a refreshing option for students interested in aquatic activities and enhancing their overall fitness.
Physical education classes are held regularly, ensuring that every student gets a chance to participate and develop essential motor skills.
Specialized coaches and instructors are available to guide students in owning their skills, whether it's perfecting a jump shot or improving their swimming techniques.
Our school encourages a diverse range of sports, including track and field events, ensuring that students with various interests find a suitable outlet for their athleticism.
Inter-school competitions and tournaments provide students with opportunities to showcase their talents and compete at a higher level.
The school's commitment to sports extends beyond the curriculum, with extracurricular clubs and leagues offering additional avenues for students to pursue their passion for athletics.
The school sports facilities are well maintained, creating a positive and inviting environment that motivates students to actively participate in physical activities.
Thank you, Nitanya and Preet. Jagriti, I think you're well aware about how the festivals are celebrated at the AIS. Can you
Yeah.
please deliver it?
Yeah, our school's spacious auditorium became a focal point for various cultural events and performances during festivals. Our school also takes pride in offering a variety of opportunities for students to showcase their talents during the festival celebrations.
Thank you, Jagriti. Yakshita, are you aware of the transportation facilities of the AIS?
Yes. The school's transportation facilities aim to alleviate the transportation burden on parents, ensuring that students can focus on their studies without worrying about commuting logistics. Safety is a top priority with well-trained drivers and well-maintained vehicles adhering to strict regulation. This transparent communication enhances the overall experience for both students and their families.
Thank you, Yakshita. Jagriti, are you aware how coaching is supported at the AIS?
Yeah, our school offers coaching support facilities to enhance the overall development of students. Dedicated coaches help students to improve their skills, whether it be in sports, academics, and other areas. These programs often include one-on-one sessions, group workshops, and specialized training sessions tailored to individual needs. Coaches act as mentor, helping students set and achieve their goals while providing valuable feedback and encouragement.
Thanks Thank a you, lot, Jagriti. Jagriti. Now, Nitanya and Preet, can you please tell us how yoga is assisted at our school?
Yeah, the school provides a serene and dedicated space for yoga sessions, equipped with comfortable mats and props to support various poses. The well-lit and ventilated yoga studio creates a calm atmosphere, enhancing the overall experience. Experienced yoga instructors lead sessions, guiding students through their relaxation techniques, stretches, and meditation.
The facility is designed to accommodate students of all skill levels, fostering a sense of inclusivity and well being. Additionally, the school's commitment to promote holistic health is reflected in the availabilities of these yoga facilities, encouraging students to cultivate physical and mental balance.
Thank you, Nitanya and Preet.